Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer programming in mobile. To begin your journey, select a mobile operating system like Android or iOS to focus on. Then, choose a beginner-friendly language such as Python or Swift. Many free online tutorials and courses are available to help you get started with the basics. Dedicate a small amount of time each day to practice coding exercises and build foundational skills. This consistent effort will set a strong base for your learning. Once you have chosen your path, install an integrated development environment, or IDE, on your computer. This software provides the tools you need to write and test code. Next, familiarize yourself with core programming concepts such as variables, data types, and control structures like loops and conditional statements. The best way to solidify this knowledge is to consistently practice by building small, simple projects that apply what you have learned. Now it is time to build. Follow step-by-step guides to create your very first basic mobile application. Do not be afraid to start small, perhaps with a simple calculator or a to-do list app. As you build, test your application frequently using either an emulator on your computer or a physical mobile device. When errors inevitably appear, learn to debug them systematically. This process is crucial for understanding and improving your code. After mastering the basics, you can explore more advanced topics such as data storage, networking, and integrating with application programming interfaces, or APIs. Joining online communities and forums is also incredibly valuable for getting support, sharing your progress, and collaborating with other developers. And hey, if you're looking for some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the links in the description below. We've got some fantastic recommendations waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.